My screen is visible to you. Okay. Till I do my setup, you guys please open your collab and be ready. Okay, guys, let's me start now. Guys, today's major concept is about object-oriented program. Uh, just for your knowledge, Python is also one of the object-oriented programming language, and there are the many type of programming language such as procedural language, functional programming language, logic programming language. In that, Python belongs to object-oriented programming language. Just keep in mind when I will explain in detail, you can understand about this concept. Before going to object-oriented program, in day before yesterday's class, we have left one concept, which is nothing but file handling. Can someone say me what is file handling? What you understand from file handling? Yes, please unmute and answer me. What you understand by file handling? What is file handling? Okay, let me see. Okay. For example, you are handling some um, paper slide about your certificates of grade 10, PUC first year, PUC second year. You are preserving it, right? Same in Python, some output of the codes and some codes are preserved in a file. For example, in our LLM, in our machine learning, we are adding some .csv file. That is also file. We can access the file or we can edit the file in Python. Am I clear with the files in Python? Just give me thumbs up if you are clear with the round view of file, general view. Okay. File is nothing but something which you are storing your data. That's it, not other than that. Now, for your knowledge, advanced file handling is not needed. Only you just understand open file, read, write, close file. Now if I taught you the advanced handling, you will get confused because you don't know still advanced Python, only you are learning basic Python here. Now just don't go for coding for files. Just keep in mind file handling is also concept of Python, in which we are storing the data, reading the data, writing the data. And in our Python we should open the file, read and write, and close the file. Just remember this. Now, only I will show you one or two example. That's it. I'm not going to take more time on this because this is a very highly advanced topic. If I say you this all, you will get confused. So, little only we are learning here. Just give me thumbs up if you are clear about this concept. If you are learn, if you are done. Okay. Now, for creating a file, to edit or write the file, first I need to open the file. First, I need to open the file. It's nothing but just see the code. Don't think more about the code. It's not for you. Only just I'm trying data text. Data is the name of a file. Text is the format of file. Yeah, there is a .csv, .png, .jpg files. But I want to open the file in text. This is the meaning of that file. That's it. Now I want to write it. The second attribute of this function represent in which view I want to open the file. Means in read, write, etc. Now by this code my file is open. Now I want to write in the file something. Same. F dot write. Now what you want to write in the file? Enter in this function as a parent. Hello world. That's it. Hello world something. That's it. Now run this. Now when you are writing, see. Now anybody can tell me what is this 11? what I'm getting the 11 as a return function is. Can someone tell me what is 11? Guys, just tell me what is 11 in this code. I am getting here output as 11. What is 11? I have given the string as input, but I am getting the output as 11. My compiler is telling me something 11, something in number. What is 11? Can somebody answer me?
That's the stored data in the hello world, right?
Ah, good Henry. This is nothing but the number of characters stored in the file. That's it. Any doubts, guys? Other than Henry? See, I have explained in a previous class. Space also holds the gap in our Python. Space is also indexed, so it's counting the space also. Hello 5, world 5 characters. Space is also one character. Clear, guys? Just give me thumbs up if you're clear with this. This is a basic interview question. They will ask you in interview in the based on the something different language. In C, in Python, in Java, in Ruby, in Python, in Java, in Ruby, in Java. That's it. Now your file is closed. If you want to see your file, go to Google Colab. If I'm clear with this. Okay. Now, instead of writing, I can add here reading, binary, append, create new file, or I have just added this concept for file handling. Not that file handling is a big concept, very big concept. It has up to, based on my knowledge, if you want to get expert in file handling, you should learn somewhat 500 to 600 pages. You don't need that now. So only I am telling you just basic of file handling. How to open a file, how to write in a file, how to close file. That's it. Am I clear, guys? Just give me thumbs up. Okay. Now there are some more in the file concept, file handling concept. It bits concept like adding the file, writing the file, and just importing the file to our data, and doing etc etc. If I am using that word, you are not going to understand now. So now you don't need that about much about file learning. Just remember this three line of code just for your knowledge sake. Just give me thumbs up if you are clear with this three codes. That's it. Not much in file handling. Am I clear, guys? This is only not full file handling. File handling is the major topic of the Python. Means it's not necessary for you now. You can learn it afterwards. If I am teaching you now, you will get confused. Just give me thumbs up. I am clear with my words. Don't think only these three lines are the whole file handling. Or there is a more depth. If I'm going that much depth, you are a bit confused. So I am not taking it now. Okay, guys, just give me thumbs up. I'm clear with this. Okay. Now, as I have said you first, what is object-oriented program? Guys, can anybody say me by name what you are accepting it should be? Can anyone unmute and say me? By object oriented program, what you're accepting it to be? It is a programming, it's an object, or what? Guys, just reply me. Or just give me thumbs up, I will start the concept. Okay. Object oriented program is nothing but oops. OOP is nothing but a structuring our code using the object and classes. Means by using this we can make our code attractive, not attractive for us, but attractive for the procedure to run it easily. Because we are learning now DSA in third sem. Who are student who are in third sem, they know what is DSA. DSA is nothing but solving the problem in very low memory utility and time consuming and power consuming of the processor. That is the DSA. For making our code efficient and taking less time and less stress on a graphic card is only DSA. To achieve that, we are using some different tricks. One of them is OOPS, which is nothing but forming a structure and creating an object and classes. This is bit same as function only, same as function, but totally different from it. You can understand for now, for this instant, just understand OOPS is also like a function. Just understand it. Not fix in our mind. Just for understanding, remember that oops is also like a function but not a function, in which you can define a class and objects. When I'm solving the example, you can get understand it. There are some uses of oops such as reusability. I say now, one code can be used for many times, and modularity, organized and manageable code, and debugging in oops is very easy. Debugging in Python is easy compared to Java because Python is a oops language. And maintainability, easier to update and debug. Scalability, and this is built to get syncs with the other hardwares, other softwares, other devices or other application. It can be easily synced. Guys, just give me thumbs up if you are clear with this overview of oops. Okay. Now, if I am building one aeroplane or some building, first I need one sketch or rough design of it. That's known as a blueprint. Blueprint. If you are constructing a house, you will go to civil engineer and ask him, just give me blueprint of my house. Same class in Python is a blueprint of a block of a code. Am I clear with class? Class is a blueprint. Just give me thumbs up if class is clear. Class word is clear for you. Class is a blueprint. Okay. Any doubts in class? If you have any single doubt, ask it now only. Afterwards, you will be confusing in that. So please clear the doubt as soon as possible. You get the doubt. Now am I clear? Class is a blueprint. Now objects are building of it. Objects are nothing but you are implementing the code and doing something is known as object. That's it. Guys, just give me thumbs up if you are clear with this. Okay, just remember, class is a blueprint, object is a some output, not an output, which is building one. Understood that? But class is a blueprint. For example, this is a class defined as a car. See, here you can see. Can you see my cursor? Just give me thumbs up if you can see my cursor on the class car. Okay, you can see right now class car. Def int init. It's a syntax of your this one. Syntax of your class. I will explain it afterwards. Not that. This is a blueprint. This is a blueprint of this code. From here to here, this is a blueprint. This is a object C. You are creating object here. Car 1 equals to Tesla Model 3. This is the object. This is the object, but this is the class. Guys, are you clear with this? Just give me thumbs up. Guys, just give me thumbs up if you are clear with this. Any doubts in classes and objects? If any doubt, please ask to me. Okay. Now you ask me what is init. Init is nothing but constructor function. Constructor function. Who are studying in DSU first sem? Can you raise hand? Who are studying in DSU first year? Is there anyone from DSU first year? Okay, if you are there, just listen. You will learn this constructor and destructor function in module 4 or 5. I have not remembered that much accurate, but you are learning in model 4 or 5. Big concepts are there. Just remember this is a constructor function. Int is nothing but by this function, my compiler is constructing something or building something. That's it. Now remember that's it. Now remember that much. Int is a constructor. That's it. Now you can ask me why self is written here. What is the use of self here? Self is written for reference to the current object instance. Means it's bits concept. Don't think about self now. Just think it's a reference. Self is a reference for an instant object. That's it. Self is a reference. That's it. Now this syntax is clear for you. Just give me thumbs up. Now you know the self. Now you know the init. Any other doubts? Okay, guys. Any other doubts? Guys, any other doubts in this?
No doubt, Jason.
Okay. Now there are attributes and methods. Attributes are nothing but variables that store data inside the class. In the class, for the variables, we are calling attributes. Am I clear with this? This much I am clear. Attributes are nothing but variable inside a class. Outside the class, there are variable only. But when there are inside the class, means in previous slide, wait, see. Now this is a class, right? Can you see my cursor there? Cursor moving on the class student. Just give me thumbs up if my cursor is visible to you. Okay. Now this self name is an attribute. Now if I'm writing after this using x after the class, x as a variable, this will be considered x will be considered a variable. But when the variable is defined inside the class function, it's defined as attribute. Am I clear with attributes? Guys, am I clear with attribute
Yasin, can you explain it once more?
for
That
attributes, right?
attribute part,
Okay.
that coding part.
Coding, I will be doing it separate with example. Now just
Okay.
understand what is attribute. You are clear
Okay.
with attribute word?
Yeah, yeah, I'm clear with attribute word.
Okay. Coding example, I have one simple example. I will be using it after this explanation. Okay, Henry?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Methods. Method is nothing but function. Function inside the class. Variable inside the class is attribute. Function inside the method. Function inside a class is known as a method. This represents the behavior action of the object which the defined object should perform. See this def greet self. This is known as a method. This is method. The which part is selected is a method because this is a function. Def is a function, right? Def is a keyword for function. Am I clear with this? Def with something name is a syntax for function. Am I clear with this? Just give me thumbs up if you if you remember the function syntax. See, this is a function. See, first watch it. It looks like function. Then it should be function. You guys just try to interrelate the concepts. Then you will understand and learn it. If you are sitting idly and watching it like movie, eating popcorn, it's wait for me also, you also. Just interlink it. I have thought function. In that function, this keyword was def. After def, there was some defining name, something name. After that, parenthesis will be there. Some parameters will be passing. So this this is a function. By that logic, this is a function. I am clear with the function, methods, and attributes. Guys, I am clear with the function and attributes. Just give me thumbs up. Methods and attributes. Okay. Instant method, class method, static method. Okay. There are some types of method. Now, once I will explain, you just listen to it. Instant method work with the object data using self, most common type of method. We are now doing all problems based on instant method only. If we are using self, if we are using self in the parameter, it's known as a instant method. That's it. Just remember, that's it. If you are using self word in a parenthesis, this is known as an instant method. Now class method, use use class method destructor, work with the class data using class. Am I clear with this, guys? If you get other than self in a parenthesis, for example, big, like you are defining some attributes in your function. If you listen to my words, if you are defining attributes in your function, means you are taking a input for your function from the attributes. This is known as a class method. Am I clear with this? Just give me thumbs up. Okay, now static method. Static method which nothing but similar from them but little different. This don't access object or class data. So this is variable. Static data in parentheses, which variable, the parameter which is defined inside the parameter is a variable. In class method it was attribute, but in static it is variable, but in instant only self will be there. Just remember this. Am I clear with this? If you have any doubt, see, simple, instant self, class method. The attributes are the parameter in your function. Static, static is variable. Now, for easy sake, we are using this instant method only. Don't get confused with this too. Now for our case, we are using just instant method in our attributes in our Python code. That's it. A real world analogy, the dogs. Okay. Huh. See guys, this is a class dog here. Class dog. Here the blueprint defines all dogs have in a common. These are the images of dogs. There are large number of dogs. Means more dogs. These dogs have their some features: breed, color, age. These three remains constant. But object, you are entering the data there as a parameter, passing to the parameter. Then this is your object. So this is a blueprint. This is a blueprint. This is the created object. You are saving the data in this format. This is also creating object. Now when I am doing one example, you are getting it understanding. Am I clear? Just give me thumbs up if you want me to continue with the simple example. Okay. Whenever you are doing with example, you can get understand it. Now the syntax for a class is class something. I will use a student, but colon is important here, guys. Colon is must and important here. Must and should important. Just remember in Python, wherever there is a function, loop, or something structure, something starting, just use the colon. Don't forget to use colon. That's it. Now class student is defined, and now to initiate it, just use def. Now as the syntax indicates, underscore init. See, it's showing me. Just click enter. Now I want to add some more parameters such as name of a student and roll number. Rule, that's it. Okay, now close the pencil. And don't forget to give colon here again. See, this is again a function, constructor function. Don't forget to give your colon here. Now self is a reference for instance object. I explain why self is used. Now don't ask why self is used me again. Now I am defining self dot name equals to name. Now self dot rule equals to rule. Now backspace. Okay. Def, I will use def intro, introduce something, your choice function in self. Again parent colon, because this is a function. No need to explain again. Print Your choice here. My name is, and now I want to print here my name. Wait. Let me use here different type of print. Okay, print if my name is, use the curly brackets, self dot name, self dot name, again rule number, self dot rule, self dot rule. Let's check the code. My name is self dot name, comma rule number is self rule. That's it. Okay. Now I am defining here object. S1 is a object. I am a clear. S1 is object. Guys, now I am a clear. S1 is object. This is class. Just give me thumbs up. Now you can distinguish between the this and this class and object. Okay. Now this S1 is object. Now my code will be student my name. I will give my name. It's about to you. What you want to give. Now something my age 20 etc. Now I want to run this function again. Introduce intro intro. Let me check the code once. Class student that and self roll number. Okay. Yes one. Name student is not defined. Student. Let me copy. Hello guys, I'm audible.
Yes, Yaseen.
Guys, I'm audible.
Yes. Why?
If I'm audible. Guys, I'm audible.
Yeah, but your screen is not visible, Yaseen.
Okay, bro. Due to some weather condition, power have been gone. I have using now my mobile data. I don't think it will run speed. See, disconnected. Henry,
Yes, Yaseen.
from we will continue this from tomorrow. Just remind me that example. That's it.
Okay. S1 classes.
Okay. Due to the low current, we can't.
Further, we cannot continue.
My but this is running on inverter. I don't think so. It will run on for most time. It will go in just 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, Henry.
Okay.
Now you are clear about class us and object, right?
Yeah. Classes and attributes.
Attributes, classes, objects, and attributes and methods, right?
Hmm.
Tomorrow we will do one example on that, and we will start the next concept. Any
Okay.
issues,
No. No.
bro? I am apologizing from you, from our organization. Due to some inconvenience, we can't conduct today. And yesterday also there was one emergency, so class was cancelled. But we are promising that we are not skipping any concept. We are taking one extra day and completing the concepts. That's it, Henry.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we are not skipping the concept, but we are taking another one extra day. It's good for you only.
Yeah.
Okay. Any issues, Henry?
No, no, it is yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
My
By the way.
inverter will be get off in 10 seconds showing. Okay, Henry. Bye bye. See you.
Oh yeah, bye bye. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.